8th of July. We got some stuff in here. Those are all, they look like all Lonzinos. 4 of them. Yeah, there's a temperature and humidity, humidifier, dehumidifier, mix mini fridge. For the most part, Capicola. There's a piece of prosciutto there in the back. Some Capicola were started 2 weeks ago, I think 3 of them, with the hot box. And these other 3 in the front were the Equilibrium brine. And the last mini fridge that I have any meat in. And this is a piece of prosciutto. I got the call from today, another one from today, and this one from the hot or salt box, not hot box, salt box, pardon me. Okay.